Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Kittle's Garage. As you can see here, we got the F-150 with a flat tire. I do have a bolt in it. I'll show you the bolt when I get it off. The silly thing is right in the middle of the tread. It's a good sized bolt. I was at my parents' house. It was at 15 pounds. I filled it up to 40. It's about all I could get in it. Drove all the way home, and now it's back to 13 pounds. I got crap to do tomorrow, so I'm going to show you guys how to change the tire, which is a learning experience because I didn't know how to do it. So what you have to do is you have to take your ignition key. There's a little lock right here, which I already took it out. And then the extensions, you actually have to turn in reverse. And there's a square fitting on the other side that you will have to spin and get the tire down, which I already started doing it. So I'll show you right here. There's the tire. Oops. We'll get this lowered down. I'm gonna have some fun here. Hopefully this tire has air in it. So start clockwise, drop down. Touchdown! Yay! We'll go slack in the line. You gotta pull this out somehow. Need a little more slack. When in doubt, have some slack. There we go. Sorry guys for staring at the back of my head. Come on. Come on, baby. Well, one more slack. There we go. There's that. Can you see it? Yep. And we'll wind this back up. Just go in the opposite direction. Just like that, kids. Hope everyone's enjoying their Sunday. It's not raining yet. Amen to that. Okay. So, there is that little square end right there. Oops. Has a male end on the other side. But you have to put it in backwards. I didn't know that. There you go. Whoop. That's the other end. So, now we'll flip to the tire. As you can see, I cheated. Oop, guys, I gotta let you go. Cindy's calling.